Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will construct rectangles with a given perimeter using unit squares and determine their areas. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what we need to do today. So we're going to use square unit tiles to build as many rectangles as we can with a perimeter of 12 units. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we label the side lengths of each rectangle. Okay, so we want to make sure it has a perimeter of 12 units. So remember, that is going to be the outside boundary of our rectangle. So here is 1 square unit. So if I were to find the perimeter of this square unit, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So the perimeter would be 4 square units. That's not quite enough. All right, let's go ahead and do maybe 2 square units. Well, that gives me a perimeter of, or a side length of 2, another side length of 2, 1, and 1. So if I were to add 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2, that would give me a perimeter of 6. Well, that's not right. So let's go ahead and keep going. So we have 3 square units. So that's going to give me 3 and 3 and 1 and 1. Well, that gives me a perimeter of 8. Not quite there yet. All right. How about now? So I have a side length of 4, 4, 1, and 1. That gives me a perimeter of 10. Okay. All right. Now, what if I do one more? All right, so if I have one more, then I have a side length of 5 and 5 and 1 and 1 on each of my sides. So my perimeter is going to be 12, because that is going to be 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, which gives me 12. So we found our perimeter of 12. Okay, let's see if we can find another rectangle that has a perimeter of 12. So I went ahead and let's try if this rectangle will work. So now I have a side length of 4, and my other side length is 4, 2, and 2. So my perimeter is going to be 2 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4, which gives me 4 plus 8, which is going to equal 12. So my perimeter is 12. All right, fantastic. Now, we also have to go ahead and find the area. Oops, I think. All right, so we want to make sure we find the area of each rectangle. So let's start with our yellow rectangle. Now, if you remember before, area is going to equal the number of square units we have in each. So let's find the area of our yellow rectangle. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square units. So the area is going to be 5 square units. So remember, area is the amount of space our shape takes up. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at our green rectangle. So we have to make sure we count the square units. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 square units. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and review today's lesson objective. So today we constructed rectangles with a given perimeter using square units and determined the areas. All right, thank y'all so much for joining me today. I hope this was a helpful lesson and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.